feel more confident when you've shaved your beehole and balls?
Is that one question or?
We're on the hunt today for BGE, Big Groomed Energy. Do you feel more confident when you are groomed below the waist?
Yeah, a couple inches worth of confidence.
Have you ever heard of BGE?
No.
What do you think that means?
Big guy energy?
Big guy?
Big girl energy.
Do you know what BGE means?
No.
Big Groomed Energy. How does it make you feel when you're well trimmed?
Confident, sexy.
Have you ever gone on a date and felt more confident when you had your balls shaved?
Oh, hell yeah. It's like Michael Phelps. Does he go in the pool without shaving himself?
I just know that you have to look clean to get the ladies. My girlfriend, 2 weeks ago, we were drunk one night. I bent over, she shaved my butt with a Manscaped.
Is this for Manscaped?
Time to get Manscaped.
Yeah!
My fiance.
Enjoy the benefits!
I got the 3.0 for Christmas. Honestly, it changed the way I shave down there.
If you're not clean down there and you go on a date, you never know what's gonna happen.
Lots of BGE coming from this boat! Go to manscaped.com and get your BGE.